back hitting the streets of Banff. So we're just gonna go find some breakfast so that we have nourishment before we go on our big hike.
It's awesome. It's like bright and sunny and 19 degrees. It's kind of perfect for going outside.
I'm cold.
So as long as it doesn't get much hotter or it doesn't get wet.
I hope it gets hotter.
No, you don't want it to be any hotter.
Freezing already.
Come on, once we're out in the sun, walking up mountains, we'll be fine.
So we're thinking the Golden Arches sounds like a plan for this morning. Unless I see something else really quick. Where's the Banff Denny's? Okay, yeah, this is happening. Hi, babe.
Good day for a drive. I gotta keep my eyes on the road, but all I want to do is look at the scenery.
Yeah. Little tunnel. Not even, I don't know, sign.
It's not ominous at all. I didn't think we'd be traveling 15 kilometers off the highway. You know?
Well, this is where the animals are.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Or I'll look like a liar. You're definitely gonna see animals, babe.
I did say birds count, so...
Oh, well, okay, good.
Well,
oh God, what is that? It's coming right for us! Alright, so we've pulled over at the side of the road. We're about 500 meters from the destination, so we figured it's going to be so busy that the parking lot is probably completely taken up. So Dave wanted to just get one of the road spots. So there we are, back there.
Yeah, I think we made a good decision.
Yeah. So there you go. We're about to go on a hike.
I look and feel stupid.
So look at this. He's probably carrying about 60 pounds. No, I don't even know what. We made it!
We did.
Made it to the trail.
And it's only half an hour walk to the waterfalls, or at least the lower one. So I think I can put up with that. But there's so many people here, I don't think we'll get to see much wildlife, but you never know, fingers crossed. And Ashley's gone silent.
So this is what we're working with. This is the crowds.
Ooh, running water shot.
It's like that one's blocked off, so I go over here. I make responsible decisions.
I would really like to go down there. Maybe I'll be a little bit sneaky.
You'd be that guy.
Just hold that for a sec.
This could be the last time I ever see him.
You like this photo?
I wonder when they say a half an hour, what speed of walking they think we're gonna do. Ooh, look at this.
I know. Time to get slow starter speed with the 7200.
Yep. That's what it was made for. It's like this railing is for Dave.
The best thing about this 72 is it stops down to F32. So I'm pretty sure I can do 2 seconds here and get away with it.
Cool.
Oh my God.
2 seconds without an ND filter.
That's several.
I just better not bump this, you know.
Put the water.
Or a crowd of people bump you.
Oh.
What you doing, babe?
Being a dick.
You're being a dick.
Yeah. You know. Let's try something different, but ends up just wasting time. So
Whatever.
yeah. I don't care.
Look at these trees. It's like furry. It's easier to get up than down. Just stop in traffic, eh, babe?
Well, I was kind enough to wait for a gap, so there was no traffic coming the other way, so people could get around us. But that was as good as it's gonna get.
Yeah. Well, there's so many amazing shots here, and
Yeah.
like this path is so narrow. It's so crowded. Look at this. You don't want to fall into that water. I probably almost ran into that tree just now trying to bonk. Ah, it's muddy.
You gonna go up the tree?
No, I'm gonna jump. Dave has put his ND filter on the camera, so we're getting some good results with that.
Yeah. Yeah. Obviously being inside a lot, we don't get a lot of opportunities to use these filters, so I'm still getting used to them as well. But to control vignetting, we haven't stopped it down too much on the ND filter, but so I would like 1 or 2 seconds exposures, and I'm only at I can't even do the math. 1.3 of a second. No. Anyway, something pretty long, but it's not over a second. So we're still blowing out if I go that long. But we'll see. We might get there.
We're having fun with our slow exposure shots. I even did one.
Yeah, you did good. She stopped down her shutter speed until she found the right amount of light. But shooting with a 50mm prime, she can only go to f16, so it's still kind of bright. So she had to go down to, what was your shutter speed? 1/20th of a second? 110? 110. So it's still kind of bright, but the water's moving pretty fast, so there's quite a bit of motion. And that's good. I think that's exactly what we wanted. It's been pretty successful. We're sort of in the shadows of a little canyon, so we don't have to deal with as much light bouncing directly off the water, so it makes our jobs a little bit easier getting photos here today. But yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I think it's just nice being out in a different environment and experimenting with what we can do.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
We definitely got some keepers for the website.
Yeah, so we'll get up to the falls and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, it's just gonna keep getting better. We haven't even made it to the actual attraction
I
point
don't
yet.
even know if we're halfway to the falls yet. But,
Yeah, we're going so slow. Oh well, on we go. And we made it to the lower falls. So this is some information about it. Oh, look at how it looks when it's frozen.
Oh, it freezes?
Apparently.
Is that someone scaling up it?
Yes.
Wow.
People are crazy. you go?
Oh, yeah, not bad. Not bad.
I filmed our little storage place that we've picked out for ourselves here.
Taking over.
Yeah.
It's not bad. The water's in. Oh.
Sorry. I just needed to hold on to you. You don't want to go through there, do you?
Do you? You don't?
Muddy. Do you want to get a shot?
I don't know what's on the other side.
Just the waterfall, like a different view. Again, this might be the last time I see him. You made it back!
Oh, I made it back. My shit got drenched.
All still works. All still
Yeah,
works.
I've tested it all, so it all still works. That's the thing, like if you buy cheap gear, not cheap, but like entry-level stuff, I probably wouldn't take it back there.
There's a bug.
Actually just got attacked by a bug. So. Like even the Sony that we're filming with now, they probably wouldn't have liked that weather a lot. But, so it's working, so we're still good.
Alright, I'm getting attacked by bugs. It's time to move on. So now we're gonna go up the stairs to the upper falls.
We are.
Yes. So, more pictures.
Okay, let's do this.
Hey, get back here. Or chipmunk? Is that a chipmunk?
Oh, just nailing it all over the place.
Good work. That's all the wildlife we've seen in Banff. There seems to be some person. I can't get them from here. Like, is this real? I think it's fake. They haven't moved. Oh my god, it's a dead body. Just frozen.
We found a dead body.
Frozen, sitting there.
I'll go in for a closer look.
Like, that's so weird. It's fake! It's definitely fake. Like, that's not a head, that's like some sort of paper mache.
It's the original? Yeah, it's not a person.
So thinking, hey asshole, get out of the shot!
Who would do that?
Very weird.
Apparently everyone's just getting down into
Oh, you've got some competition, babe. That's the same guy that was taking those pictures over on the other side by the lower falls, yeah.
I think the viewing angles are okay from the
railing?
Yeah, the railing.
Yeah, it's just that
You're not going to get a much better shot if you go down there. It might be a bit more unique. But he too is filming himself, but we're better at it.
Is that even a question?
Sorry, I'm just looking at what he's doing. You know, maybe I'll go down there and steal his idea.
Alright, so we've come to a crossroads. It's like you can get a view from the bottom, 0.1 kilometers away.
That sounds pretty good right about now.
Yeah, it sure does. Alright, there seems to be a lineup.
Sure does.
I'm like looking around like, where is the waterfall? What is this shit? Stopped for some trail mix. We came prepared with trail mix because we're seasoned hikers and we know how to do it. So, almonds, some sort of raisin, and then something else, cranberry.
Is it a buy? Is it one of Leonard's buys? No, it's not a buy. It's not a buy.
It's like good for today's purpose, but if you were gonna snack on this, you'd be like, it's like there's no salt, like nothing added on it, which is like healthy. So it's healthy, but if you want it for like junk food, it's not.
Oh, not a buy.
And I wish there was chocolate in it. Top. It's wet here. Finally, after dodging people for the last half hour of walking like this, looking like this, we're finally alone. Oh, never mind. I spoke too soon. You can only hope for literally 1 minute of silence on this path. It's a very popular trail. We did it! We did the hike!
We did the hike.
So now we're heading back to the car on the side of the road. Our special little parking spot.
I don't know how many steps we did, but it was probably 14,000.
So that means I did 15,000.
Yeah.
Because I take smaller steps. And the Fitbit died, so unfortunately, I'll never know what I did.
But it feels like it was enjoyable, but it feels good to be leaving.
Yeah, I mean, you can only look at waterfalls for so long. Alright. To be continued. Yeah!
I get to do this.
Take it off! Take it off!